What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sharp back with another video. This video is gonna be a makeup look. As you can see, my brows are already done. I'm kind of talking fast because I don't know. But yeah, my brows are already done. My face is already primed. I'm gonna prime my eyelids though using my Ruby Kisses Cream Contour 3D palette. The reason why I'm priming my eyelids with that because it makes the shadow stick. I like using the Ruby Kisses because the consistency is thick and I have hooded eyes and it takes it a while to crease versus if I use LA Pro. And there's no shade to them because I fools with them also. So this video is self-explanatory. If you are new here, God bless you. You so lit. You lit for just clicking on this video. But for real, before you go any further in this video, hit that subscribe button. So I did prime my face using the Poreless primer and the Hydrating primer. Both of those are by e.l.f. And like I said, if you are new, thank you for clicking this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and even turn on your post notification bell because I'm finna be blowing your phone up with nothing but heat. And if you are returning here, thank you so much for just returning. Much love. Everybody, how is everybody doing? How are the college kids? How are the grown folks? How y'all doing? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm not gonna talk too much. Everything that I use is drugstore friendly, budget friendly, it's cheap. It's Black Friday coming up, Christmas is coming up. The Juvia's Place palette is on sale. Everything on their website is on sale. So you gon' crack a deal. You just got to. But like I said, leave me some comments and let me know how you doing, how y'all feeling, how you living. And let's get into this fall look because I'm talking too much. One more thing before I go. I did record using my iPhone 11 Pro Max Pro. I don't know, the one with the 3 lens, the newer one. And I must say the quality of the video is lit. So just stay tuned and watch this video. Everything that I use will be in the description below. The description is going to be very detailed. So there's no reason why nobody can't achieve this look. This fall bronzy natural glowy look. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, I'm not that good at contouring my nose. You're going to see that I did mess up. I left the footage in here just to show you guys I'm only human. I make mistakes. Bruh, your girl hadn't wore eyeliner since I know the damn 8th grade. So, ooh, child, it was rough on me. Like, it's been forever, but I get an A for effort. As you can see, I apply my lashes off camera. Now all I'm doing is adding a color into my inner corner to give it that little pop. And what I'm doing now is just adding the color that I already have on top, applying it to my lower lash line, just to complete my look and just to give it that finishing touch so it all corresponds together. And there you have it. I added my lashes off camera. I added some Juvia's Place highlight, and I changed the lights setting on my ring light to give you every different vibe I had. And the look is easy. It's beginner friendly. I look good, period. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Peace.